Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add tax on NRS POS system, which is essential for restaurants, retail, or service businesses to comply with local taxes. So please make sure that you who do have the full version of the website because I will be explaining everything in a detailed way so that you will be able to not miss anything out. So yeah, anyway, listen carefully. So once you've logged into your NRS POS, you will have to open your POS and log in with your credentials again. So yeah, anyway, you will access your tax settings by going to your settings. So it should be somewhere right here. So it's really, it may vary depending on the layout or the version that you have. But anyway, once you see the gear icon or the settings, you will just have to click it. And then once you go to your settings, you will click tax configuration and then you will add tax rate. So yeah, you will click add tax rate and then you will enter name, percentage, region, and then you will just have to click save. And then of course you will assign tax to items by going to your items, going and then you will click edit and then apply tax class and then click save. And then after that you will test transaction by adding item to your cart and complete max sale and confirm the tax calculation is accurate. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.